Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix market research tools with SurveyMonkey, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the SurveyMonkey website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account to access your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main features displayed on the dashboard. Click on the Create Survey button to start a new project. Choose a template or start from scratch based on your research needs. If you select a template, browse through the available categories to find the most relevant one. Customize the template to suit your specific questions and objectives. For a blank survey, start adding questions by choosing from various types like multiple choice, open-ended, and rating scales. Clearly formulate each question to ensure participants understand what is being asked. Incorporate skip logic if necessary, to guide respondents based on their previous answers. Preview your survey frequently to check for clarity and functionality. Once satisfied, click on the Collect Responses tab to choose your distribution method. Decide whether to send the survey via email, social media, or embed it on a website. Customize your survey invitation message to encourage participation. Set a response deadline if needed to keep your data collection on schedule. Monitor response rates periodically through the SurveyMonkey dashboard. Analyze your results using the built-in analytics tools provided by SurveyMonkey. Export your data into formats like Excel or PDF if you require further analysis. Summarize key findings and insights from your research for easy interpretation. Review your survey process to identify areas for improvement in future research efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.